a high income skill. Now, this is truly the basis of everything that you want in life. And even better than that, not learning one high income skill, but learning multiple high income skills and stacking them together. I mean, you can almost imagine Lego blocks. The more of these high income skills that you can stack, the more money that you'll make. So when you're looking at something and you're deciding, hey, should I put my time and effort into this? Should I learn this skill? Ask yourself, is this a high income skill? Is this a skill that will continue to pay me over the years? You know, a couple examples of high income skills is learning online marketing, coding, content creation, sales. Millionaires have a high income skill that is valuable to the marketplace. Multi-millionaires have multiple high income skills that are valuable to the marketplace. Now, I know that this is easier said than done and you might be stuck as to like, hey, where do I actually get started? That's why earlier this year, I literally locked myself in this room for 4 full days to get to the bottom of the question, which is, what is the best high income skill in order to make $100,000 a year online? Now, I actually evaluated all this by creating the money making matrix. Now, what it does is it evaluates all the best business models online, and then it uses data and a very specific formula to assess truly what is the best business model in 2022.